guys! Welcome back sa Cup of Teach. In this video, ipagpapatuloy natin ang discussion natin tungkol sa Venn diagram and its application. Ang target natin sa video na to is to solve problems involving Venn diagrams. Simulan na natin. Let us represent this problem using a Venn diagram. A group of high school students were surveyed whether they have a dog or cat. Here is the result of the survey. 237 have dogs, 120 have cats, 57 have both cats and dogs. Okay, take a look. May binanggit tayo na salitang and. Pag nakakita kayo ng and, it means it indicates intersection. So, magkakaroon ng overlapping yung ating mga Venn diagrams. We are going to draw our Venn diagram like this. Okay? So, we have a circle for set D or for those students who has a dog. And then, meron din tayong set C for those students na meron namang cats. And meron tayong overlapping part dito for set D and set C since gumamit tayo ng salitang and. And yung and ay nag-i-indicate na meron tayong intersection sa dalawang sets. The first thing that you're going to remember when representing a problem using set, always start filling values in the Venn diagram from the innermost value. Doon tayo magsisimula sa pinaka-loob. So, ang sabi, ang pinakaloob natin ay yung intersection part. So, ilan nga ba yung mga students na meron parehong dog at meron ding cat? So, meron tayong 57 students. So, tandaan ha, lagi kayo mag-i-start doon sa pinakaloob or yun dun sa merong intersection. Nasimulan na natin ang pagdodrawing ng ating Venn diagram. Now, let us have some questions para mas mapadali natin yung paggawa ng ating Venn diagram. So, the first question, from the group of high school students, how many of them both have dog and cat? So, sinabi na yan kanina sa problem, given na yan, yung merong dogs and cats ay 57. Next question, from the number of those who has a dog, how many of them have a dog but not cats? So, ilan kaya yung dogs lang ang alaga? Balik tayo sa ating Venn diagram. Here is our Venn diagram. So, from the question, ilan lang yung may dogs? Dogs lang ang alaga. So, here. This circle for set D, this whole circle represents those students who have a dog. So, lahat ng yan ay 237. Pero meron na tayong students na 57 na sumagot na meron silang dogs, meron din silang cats. So, ang hinahanap lang natin yung solong dog lang ang alaga. So, how are we going to find ilan lang yung may solong dog ang alaga? So, ang gagawin nyo lang, subtract 57 from 237. So, ibabawas nyo yung 57. The answer will be 180. So, therefore, 180 students have dogs but not cats. So, wala silang cats. And now, we're going to write our answer. 180. Next question. From the number of those who has a cat, how many of them have a cat but not dog? Again, ito ulit si Venn diagram. So, meron na tayong numbers for those who have dogs. So, 180 and 57. So, ang tanong naman natin ngayon, ilan yung meron lang na cat? So this whole circle here represents students who has a cat. So lahat ng merong cats ay 120. Pero, meron ng 57 students na sumagot na meron silang cat at meron din silang dog. Ang hinahanap lang natin ay yung mga students na meron lang cat. So, how are we going to find out ilan lang yung merong cat? So, katulad ng ginawa natin kay dog, ang gagawin lang natin, we have to subtract 57 from 120. So, it will become 120 or 120 minus 57. The answer will be 63. So, 63 students have cats but no dogs. Now, let's put our answer. We have 63. Next question, we have, how many students were surveyed? So, nakompleto na natin ang ating Venn diagram. Ilan ang total ng lahat ng na-survey? So, para malaman natin yung total, we just have to add everything on this Venn diagram. So, we have 180, 57, and 63. Add them. We will have 300. Meron pang isang way para malaman natin kung ilan ang na-survey. So, remember, lahat ng merong dogs ay 237. Lahat naman ng merong cats ay 120. You're going to subtract dun kay 237 at kay 120 yung 57. So, 237 plus 120 minus 57, we will have also 300. Therefore, there are 300 students na na-survey. And let's write our answer sa ating final question. 300. O, diba? Nakabuo tayo ng Venn diagram. Try pa tayo ng isa. Let's have this example. Out of 250 students, 62 are members of Mathematics Club, 170 are members of Science Club, and 40 are in both clubs. So, meron tayo ng salitang both. So, ibig sabihin, mathematics and science. So, dahil meron tayong and, meron ulit tayong intersection nung dalawang sets. Okay? First step, syempre, magdodrawing tayo ng Venn diagram. So, here is our Venn diagram. We have set M for the Mathematics Club. Ito ang set M. We have set S for the Science Club. And ito yon. And dahil gumamit tayo ng salitang both, ibig sabihin, meron tayong intersection. Now, always remember that we have to start filling values in the Venn diagram from the innermost value, yung pinaka-loob. So, in this case, itong intersection. So, ilan nga ba yung kasama sa both math and science? We have 40. Very good. Now, for us to be able to complete the details of this Venn diagram, sasagot ulit tayo ng questions. For the first question, how many students are members of the Mathematics Club only? So, wala siyang ibang club na sinasalihan. Now, tingnan natin kung ilan. So, this is our Venn diagram. This part of the Venn diagram is the Mathematics Club. So, ilan nga ulit yung kasama sa Math Club? Meron tayong 62. Pero, meron na tayong 40 students na kasama sa Math Club, kasama rin sa Science Club. Eh, ang hinahanap lang natin, yung mga students na kasali lang sa math club. So, ang gagawin natin, we have to remove this 40 from 62. So, ang gagawin natin, we have to subtract 40 kay 62. So, we will have 62 minus 40. Ang matitira na lang sa math club ay 22. So, therefore, we have 22 students ang nasa math club lang. So, now let us write our answer to the first question, 22. Next question. How many students are member of the science club only? So, science club lang siya nakasali. Ilan? Balik tayo sa ating Venn diagram. So, this part ay yung set ng ating students na member ng science club. So, lahat ng ating members ng science club, meron tayong 170. Pero, meron na tayong 40 na nagsabi na member sila ng math and science club. So, ang gagawin natin, ibabawas natin yung 40 doon sa 170. So, we will have 170 minus 40. So, ang matitira na lang for the science club is 130. Therefore, 130 students are members of the science club only. So, sila lang yung kasali sa science club lang. Now, let us write our answer sa second question. On to the next, we have how many students are members of math or science club? So, nakakita tayo ng salitang or. What does or indicates? So, pag sinabi nating or, it indicates union. Naaalala nyo pa ba si union? So, we just have to add all the sets of math and science club. So, paano nga natin ulit gagawin ang union? Balik tayo sa ating Venn diagram. So, we have here set M. Meron din tayong set S. So, what we are going to do, we just have to add everything in set M at saka everything in set S. Pagsasamahin lang natin. So, we will have 22 plus 40 plus 130 and we will get 192. So, therefore, there are 192 students who are members of math or science clubs. Let us write our answer to the third question, 192. For the last question, we have, how many students are not a member of either clubs? So, hindi sila member ng math or science club. Ilan kaya yon? Okay, Venn diagram. Ayan. So, meron tayong 22 for math only, 130 students for science club only, and 40 students for both math and science clubs. Ang hinahanap natin ngayon ay yung hindi kasali sa math and science club. Okay, so located siya dito sa labas ng ating set M at set S. Now, kung natatandaan ninyo, the total students ay 250. Ang total students naman who are in science or math club is 192. So, meron tayong 192 students na kasama sa dalawang set na ito. So, to get the number of students na nasa labas ni set M and set S, you just have to subtract 192 from 250. So, we will have 250 minus 192. The answer will be 58. So, therefore, there are 58 students who are not members of math or science club. And let us write our answer on the final question, 58. For the next example, magle-level up tayo. Here's the problem. MOBA games, or multiplayer online battle arena, is a hugely popular genre nowadays. In a group of youngsters, 65 play Mobile Legends, or Set M, 45 play Arena of Valor, Set A, 42 play Onmyoji Arena, Set O, 20 play Mobile Legends and Arena of Valor, 25 play Mobile Legends and Omnioji Arena, 15 play Arena of Valor and Omnioji Arena, 8 play all three games. Now the question, find the total number of youngsters in the group if each youngster in the group plays at least one game. Okay, so kung mapapansin ninyo, meron tayo ditong tatlong set. We have set M, set A, and set O. And kung mapapansin din ninyo, meron tayong intersection doon sa ating tatlong set. So, how are we going to draw the Venn diagram? So, for us to solve the problem, syempre kailangan natin gumawa ng Venn diagram. So, meron tayong tatlong sets. And yung tatlong sets na yon, kailangan magkaka-overlap siya. Kasi merong binanggit doon sa given na 8 play all 3 games. So, tatlong games ang nilalaro niya. So, kailangan mag-overlap yung tatlong set na yon. So, our Venn diagram would look like this. So, we have set M for ML. Ito yung set M natin. We have set A for Arena of Valor. And we have set O for Omnioji Arena. So, kung mapapansin nyo, yung tatlong circle ay nag-overlap. Now, when you are working with this kind of problems na merong tatlong sets, ang pinakamagandang gawin ay magtrabaho kayo from bottom to top. So, magsisimula tayo sa pinakababa ng given pataas. So, ang nasa pinakababa ng given, 8 students play all 3 games. So, all 3 games, ibig sabihin, nilalaro niya yung tatlong games. So, hahanapin natin yung part kung saan nag-intersect yung ating tatlong set, si M, O, at A. So, saan ba nag-intersect yung tatlo? So, sa part na to, ang nag-intersect lang is M at O. Dito naman sa part na to, ang nag-intersect lang is si O at saka si A. Dito naman sa part na to, ang nag-intersect lang is M at A. How about this part? Okay, so meron tayo ditong part ni set M, part ni set O, and part ni set A. So therefore, ito yung hinahanap nating intersection of the 3 sets. So, andyan natin ilalagay si 8. Nailagay na natin sa ating Venn diagram yung nasa pinakababang given. Ilalagay naman natin yung mga sumunod. So, we have 20 who play ML and AOV, 25 who play ML and Omnioji Arena, and 15 who play AOV and Omnioji Arena. Okay, so dun muna tayo sa first one. 20 who play ML and AOV. So, meron tayong intersection ng ML at AOV. So, ang intersection natin ng ML at AOV ay itong buong ito. Tama ba? Okay, so 20 daw yung naandito. 20 lahat. Pasensya sa sulat. 20 daw lahat. Pero, meron na kasi tayong 8 dito sa part na to. So, what we're going to do is to subtract that 8, yung 8 dito, is to subtract natin kay 20. So, we will have 20 minus 8. The answer is 12. So, yung part ng intersection ng ML at AOV is 12. Next, we have 25 who play ML and Omnioji Arena. So, ito naman yung part na yon. ML and OmniOG Arena. Ito. Pero, itong buong to is 25. Pero again, meron na tayong 8 dito. So, what we're going to do is subtract 8 from 25. So, we will have 25 minus 8. The answer is 17. Okay, 17 yung nandyan. Then, we have the last one for this slide. We have 15 who play AOV and or OmniOG Arena. The intersection is here ng OA at ni OmniOG Arena and Arena of Valor. So, merong 15 daw dito sa part na ito. Pero, meron na tayong 8 dito. So, what we're going to do is we have to subtract 8 from 15. We will have 15 minus 8 and the answer is 7. Okay, ayan. So, nandiyan na si 7. Ayan. Konti na lang, makukompleto na nating malagyan ang ating Venn diagram. So, let's continue. The next one is, okay, we have 65 who play Mobile Legends. So, this circle here is the set of youngsters who play Mobile Legends. So, meron na tayo ditong 17, 8, and 12 na youngsters. So, what we're going to do is to subtract it from 65. So, we will have 65 minus 17 minus 12 minus 8, and the answer is 28. Ayan. So, si 28, dun siya sa part na solo lang na Mobile Legend. Pag itong lahat ng ito ay inad mo, we will get the total of 65. Ayan, pasensya sa pangit na sulat. Okay, next, we have 45 who play Arena of Valor. And this circle is the set of youngsters who play Arena of Valor. Meron na tayong 12, meron na tayong 8, and meron na rin tayong 7. So what we're going to do, parang sa ginawa natin kanina, we have to subtract it from 45. So we will get 45 minus 12 minus 7 minus 8, and the answer is 18. So, 18 lang yung naglalaro ng Arena of Valor lang. Pag tinotal mo itong set na ito, itong lahat ng set na to, ang magiging sagot niyan is 45. And lastly, we have 42 who play OmniOG Arena. So, meron na tayong, okay, so this is the set for OmniOG Arena. Meron na tayong 17, 8, and 7. So, what we're going to do is to subtract it from 42. 42 minus 17 minus 7 minus 8, we will have 10. So, there are 10 who play OmniOG Arena only. And kapag inad mo itong lahat sa OmniOG Arena set na ito, the answer will be 42. Ayan. So, nakompleto na natin yung ating Venn diagram. Now is the time to answer the question in the problem. Find the total number of youngsters in the group who plays at least one MOBA game. So, to find out the total number of youngsters in the group, you just have to add all the numbers in the Venn diagram. So we have 28 plus 12 plus 18 plus 17 plus 8 plus 7 plus 10. Okay? And the total will be 100. Therefore, there are 100 youngsters in the group who play at least one MOBA game. Yan. Nasagutan natin yung kaisa-isang question dun sa ating problem. Thank you for watching. That's it for this video. If you learned something here, don't forget to like and subscribe to Cup of Teach. See you on the next lesson. Bye!